Now let us see some of the significance of meiosis. Meiosis is necessary for sexual reproduction. Next, it maintains the chromosome number constant from generation to generation. See students, in meiosis, reductional division occurs, right? So the chromosome number, it is reduced to half to that of parent. This is because, suppose the parent cell is diploid, they have 2n chromosome. The male will have 2n, female will also have 2n number of chromosome. They will give, after meiosis, they will form the gamete that will be haploid. That is, they will have 1n chromosome. Now, during sexual reproduction, or you can say during fertilization, zygote is formed by fusion of male gamete and female gamete. So one end will come from male gamete and the another end will come from female gamete, and they will fuse together to form the zygote, which will be 2n, that is diploid. So here, due to meiosis only, this reductional division is occurring. Thus, it is helping to restore the chromosome content. Otherwise, what will happen if there is no reductional, there is no meiosis? Suppose the parent, the male, they have 2n, female will also have 2n. No reductional division is occurring. Both will fuse together to form 4n. Again 4n from one male gamete and 4n from female gamete will fuse together, they will form 8. Then from 8 they will form 16, and this is not possible. The organism will not exist, such organism does not exist. So meiosis is important for maintaining the chromosome number constant generation after generation. So they are helping to restore the chromosome content. Next, it assures a different genetic makeup for the next generation as a result of crossing over and new combination of genes. So because of meiosis, genetic variation occurs. We have seen crossing over was taking place during meiosis, because of which genetic variation will occur in the organism. That is why, students, we are not exactly similar to our parents. We are not identical to our parents. We take up some of the genes, some of the characters from our father and some of the characters from our mother, and as a result we are a combination of both of them. We are not exact copy of our parents, unlike asexual reproduction where the daughter cell that are formed, they are exact copies of their parents. But in sexual reproduction, since crossing over is taking place, genetic variation occurs. Now we will see some of the differences between mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis, it occurs in body cells, that is in somatic cells, and meiosis will occur in reproductive cell. During mitosis, the number of chromosome remains same in the daughter cell, but we have seen in meiosis the number of chromosome is halved in the daughter cell. Next, daughter cells, they are identical to the parent cells in each and to each other. So the daughter cells that are formed, they are identical to their parent cell in case of mitosis. But in meiosis, genetic variation occurs, so the daughter cells are genetically different to the parent cells and to each other. Next we have, in case of mitosis, we have seen we got two daughter cells. Two daughter cells are formed in mitosis, and in meiosis we got 4 daughter cells. In mitosis, homologous chromosomes do not come together during metaphase. We have seen the homologous chromosome align themselves in the equatorial plate, and in prophase also we have seen pairing of homologous chromosome. In case of meiosis, pairing of homologous chromosome occurs. So homologous chromosome, they come together, but in mitosis homologous chromosome does not come together. last we have there is no exchange of genetic material between the chromosome. But in case of meiosis, we have seen exchange of genetic material. It occurs between the chromosomes during crossing over process. And you can include other differences also, like chiasmata formation occurs in meiosis, synapses occurs in meiosis, which does not occur in mitosis. And meiosis occurs only where sexual reproduction is taking place, while mitosis will occur wherever growth and development of the cell is required, or wherever we need to replace the damaged cell in the body, so there mitosis will occur.